Maybe you assume already what I am gonna talking with you about Bitget. So what is Bitget? Is Bitget's fee service so like much more so beneficial to use? Already a notification is come into my phone. Here is every update Bitget will like update you, like what is the price of Bitcoin, what is the price of other altcoin, everything they sent you. So here is Bitcoin price has risen, so 66 right now. So starting on 66,000, blah blah USDT. So everything I will show you how to use Bitget put together here. So first thing first, if you wanna uh, create Bitget account, first thing first, you can download this thing from Play Store. You can go on Chrome to doing a register. I don't need referral type of thing, you can do that yourself. So after registered, you maybe know already how to do login, because it's same as like Facebook type of thing, any kind of Google Gmail account type of thing. So here is the Bitget interface. So if I'm in right now home, here is this interface. Every like trending spot, which price is going up, like Bitcoin is upping, Bitcoin as well, Ethereum as well. Every coin follow Bitcoin, I already said. uh, yeah, this interface is something like that. And after that, market. So number second, after market, here you will see every pair: spot market, here is derivative market, like future people called, here is margin, and you can use different way this thing. So yeah, if you wanna get any specific video about spot, future, margin, you can write down on comment, feel free, I will make you for that. So here is a market, and you can set a favorite coin here. Like if you wanna set this thing, it will be go to favorite option, and bam. So simple, so simple. So your favorite coin is here, like Ethereum, PR, USDT, BGB, USDT, XRP, USDT, Uni, USDT, DOS, USDT. So anything. So here is market. Here is opportunity inside of market option. Talking about now. So notice here opportunities, like they even provide you which thing is going up inside of market, and opportunities here option. And after insights, recommendation following no data found, and after data, and here is trade now, counting of business. So historical BTC holding analytics, time of buying 2023, return on investment for holding until the day of halving. So trade now, if I click on there, I already have some Bitcoin in my wallet. How way that is increasing price, notice that. So well, everything you can check this live way. I would say Binance, Bitget, Bybit, OKX, it's so advanced. So okay, after that, the main giant option is trade. If you noticed middle of the position of the screen, that is two arrow option, click on this trade option, and here is trade mean like accents. Trade mean like instead of what you want to sell or buy. And yeah, if you want to deposit, here is deposit option, doing transfer, everything. So yeah, if you click on this BTC slash USDT PR, here is your favorite coin is listed. And if you want to get USDT PR every coin, just search on. If you want to get FMB, that coin is not listed. If you want to get dot, you will get that. If you want to get mafia, Yeah, you will get that. So pretty amazing to use Bitget. And after that, same margin, you can you need to you need to give access, you need to accept their terms and condition. Margin trading is a high risk. As a margin trading investor, you acknowledge and agree that you are responsible for the risk related to your access to and use the margin trading service and borrowing service. The risks include but are not limited to. So you can write down this fucking thing and click on confirm and done. So skip auto borrow. So margin trading is somewhat risky. I just show you how many feature has Bitget. Every feature has like same like Binance, isolated margin. What is cross and isolated margin mode? You can check out their article to becoming more knowledgeable about this certain thing like margin that you are don't understand. You can search as well as Google that what is the thing of it that like margin account, margin trade, what is future trade, all sort of thing. So what is cross and isolated margin mode? Cross the margin in the cross margin account applies to all position on all tokens to avoid liquidation. When liquidation occurs, the trader may suffer the loss of all his margin and position. Isolated is trading pair has an independent margin account and the two tokens in the pair as accessible. When liquidation occurs, the trader may incur losses from margin and position on the liquidated trading pair, but will not occur any losses on other trading pairs. Confirm. Here we see our quantity, total, and buy BTC. Remove this prompt. You can enable this in trade setting guide. So yeah, this way, here is convert option. You can convert any token into USDT. Okay, I have a token ICM. If it is okay, it's not listed here. Okay, I have a $1 Rothwell IGM. Maybe that is not here listed, like convert option. I jet. Okay, anyways, you can convert any token. Like if you have USDT, like just write down USDT and what you want, select that token. If you want Ethereum, and after that preview, if you have, that will be done automatically. So after that has a copy option. So here is copy option. Emerging because chip to Viking investment to a panel future lead traders. Copy equity USDT even total. Okay, so yeah, you will get everything put together here. If I confirm this thing here, everything you will get here. Profit sharing ratio 20%, trading frequency, future trading pairs. Okay, if I click on there, and yeah, then if I 20, got it. Your account has an insufficient balance sheet funds to your account to ensure that you can follow the elite traders to open position to place orders. Deposit. Yeah, I'm just showing you feature. I don't want to do anything with that. Yeah, maybe here is like a copy option. Here is copy traders, and you send them money, and if they get profit they will share with you. Like it's kind of like stock market option copy, this is so much like professional option I have ever seen. I have never seen any, exchange even in Binance. That is the most giant exchanger in this planet in crypto space. So after right, the last option is asset. That is worthwhile to see. Everything here: overview, spot, margin, future, bots, funding, earn, everything. Trading bots. Here is your trading bots. You know, yeah, pretty amazing. And if you wanna send, deposit, withdraw, buy, transfer, what you wanna do, just click on deposit. What coin you wanna deposit, select that coin. If you wanna USDT, and select USDT. Network here, network mean where you wanna send. If you wanna send something on UK, United Kingdom, England, where in London or Manchester City. If you wanna send USDT, which network you wanna send, TRC20 Tron or ERC, where it's depend up to your, to whom you wanna send. Asked him, and he will send you the certain, he will send you that this is the address of TRC20. If he sends you TRC20, select this network, and after that uh, send them this address. Okay, and if they will send you, you will receive money. And after that, withdraw, same thing. Like if you wanna withdraw, okay, let's set this on chain withdrawal, internal transfer, on chain ERC20, fee 0.62, enter withdrawal address and withdrawal amount, and yeah, that's it. Nothing complicated. Minimum 30 GI. Okay, after buy, you can buy from your bank cryptocurrency. Just tap on there, but I don't wanna suggest you to buy anything. What can you wanna buy? Just search that. Like pretty amazing option here. Buy, select payment method, add new card. Pretty amazing. Like everything is in your hand. And after the transfer into inside of Bitget, you can transfer if you have money on a spot, if you have USDM future, if you had in other, like inside of Bitget have a couple of options. If I show you that spot, margin, future, bots, funding, earn, a lot of options. Here is same way. Here is same way like transfer. I'm showing you. Like if you wanna, here is couple of option: funding account, USDTM future, USDTM futures, coin M futures, cross margin, spot, isolated margin. Like where has your like money, just you can transfer anywhere inside of Bitget. So let's say I have money on my spot. Okay, I wanna transfer this money on funding. So spot to funding, and here is I will select, if I get this thing IGM, not here. So if let's I select BTC, and here is I wanna send a couple of BTC, like I haven't, therefore it's kind of like this thing is awkward happening, and confirm transfer. So bam, done. And yeah, this is the pretty much like this feature has Bitget, and nothing complicated. Every coin has listed like in like stock market. Every coin has a real value, and every coin is a company. They may be EBT, what EBT do? They are company and ergo. So if you see that every coin is an company, like a stock market, this is the like digital stock market, I would say. So if I show you that, okay, Arsenal fan token. Arsenal is an football like club, and they have a token, crypto token. Like they are listed on crypto. They has their real money. They have their one money. So keep in mind that if someone uh, do invest on their token some money, do deposit some money, it's kind of like share with, like he shares some money to them. If they get profit, they will their price would be rise, and like absolutely it's a stock market way. Every crypto platform, if you want to get more information about crypto, I want to I want to share with you. I want to share with people about crypto type of thing. I like this thing, and if you like this video, feel free to do comment that I wanna get certain video. It could be airdrop, it could be trading type of thing, everything. So see you later in the next time.